So you have to calculate what will be the effect after considering the mass of nucleus 7500 times the mass of electron. So you know that Rydberg constant is directly proportional to mass. So when mass is nucleus is infinitely heavy, then it will correspond to its mass of electron, and in this case the nucleus mass will be reduced mass system. So what system we have? This is the nucleus, and the mass of this nucleus is 7500 times the mass of electron, and this is the mass of the electron. So what will be the value of mu? Mu will be 7500 Me into Me over 7500 mass of electron plus mass of electron. So this will come out to be 7500 over 7501 times mass of electron. This is the value of mu for this is named as R1 and this is named as R2 according to the question. So what will be the ratio R2 over R1? So you know that R2 over R1 will be, R2 is this 7500 over 7501 mass of electron divided by mass of electron. This, after cancelling, you can see that what will be the value of R2 by R1? You can easily say it will be slightly less than unity. So a little less than unity. This is the answer. This is very simple question from GATE. Next question is also we are going to solve from GATE. Next question is on wavelength spectra. Next question is on spectra. Question problem number 8. I think this is the last problem of this lecture. Yes, this is the last problem of this lecture. So problem number 8. So in this problem what is given? If the wavelength of the first line of Balmer series in hydrogen's spectrum is lambda. Lambda is the wavelength of first line of Balmer series. Okay. Next what is given? Then the wavelength of the first line of Lyman series. What is asked? Wavelength of the first line of Lyman series is asked. This is very simple. The wavelength of Balmer series is given and it is lambda. This value is equals to lambda. And the wavelength of first line of Lyman series is asked. Options are, what are the options? Options is 5 by 27 into lambda. Second is 27 over 5 lambda. Third is 3 by 4 lambda. Fourth is 5 by 4 by 3 lambda. What will be the value for wavelength of Lyman series? So you know that in case of Lyman series, transition is between first line of Lyman series is N1 to N2, and for Balmer series N2 to N3. This is Balmer and this is Lyman series. So what we will write? Lambda Balmer is equals to, you know that 1 by lambda Balmer first line is equals to RH 1 over 2 square minus 1 over 3 square. So this will be 1 over lambda Balmer first is equals to RH. This is 9 minus 4, 5 by 36. This is for Balmer's first line. So what will be the value of lambda? First is 36 over 5 RH, and this is given lambda. The name is given lambda. Now you have to calculate for Lyman series. So what will be the value of Lyman for Lyman series? Lyman first series is RH 1 over Lyman first series is 1 square minus 1 over 2 square. This will be 1 over lambda Lyman first is RH. This is 4, 3 by 4 RH. Now let us find lambda L first is 4 by 3 RH You have to find a relation between these. So let us divide this. Whatever value you want to divide, you can divide. So if we divide Balmer first line with Lyman first line, so what will be the value? 36 over 5 RH, and this is the value for Lyman is 4 over 3 RH cancelled. This is 27 over 5. This is lambda Balmer or lambda Lyman, and the lambda Balmer is given equals to lambda Balmer is given lambda here. Lambda Balmer is given lambda, so we will write here lambda. So what will be for the value? Lambda over lambda Lyman first is equals to 27 over 5. So the value of lambda Lyman first is related as 5 over 27 lambda. So this is the right answer, 5 over 27 lambda. So this is the last question of this portion. So in next lecture we will do some theory. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.